This is crazy. Look at all this. You got the little roller here to go through all the settings. You got ABS and everything. Absolutely beautiful bike. Look at that. S1000XR. I think I've fallen in love with BMW. Honestly, like, it's just so smooth, it's just so responsive, and it's just so comfortable. Oh my god, and the sound of it. Hello. Oh, that's dirty. Absolutely dirt. Wow. My lord. Beautiful. Oh my god, I've fallen in love. It seems like a big and bulky bike, but it's fairly light considering it goes around the corners so easily. You could definitely take this bike all around Europe if you wanted to. You know, it's definitely set up for it. You can put like luggage on here and on the back and everything, but at the same time it feels like it's got that extra little bit of spice. Come on, let's jump back on. Oh.